Hello everyone, this is Ricky Tavde from Gossipfunda. Why is my voicemail unavailable on iPhone? To solve this problem, you have to go to your phone or contact section and click on voicemail. Now, since my phone was on airplane mode, you have to remove the airplane mode and then try calling the voicemail. In my phone, the voicemail is working, but if in case it is not working, these are the few steps for which firstly you have to go to settings and scroll down and press the airplane mode on and then shut it off again so that the network gets restored and try calling the phone. Next thing you can do is again tap on settings. And scroll down to general, after which you go down and shut down your phone. Now the last step that you can do is go back again to settings, to general, and scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and you can erase all the content and settings and reset your phone, and this will surely make your voicemail work. Thank you for watching the video. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. Do not forget to put your query in the comment section below. For more such amazing contents, do visit gossipfunda.com. Link in the description.